Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at the first weird side hustle. Name of this side hustle is Your Parking Space. So once you get to this website, you're going to click right here where it says list your space for free. It's 100% free to list, verified drivers and vehicles, and you get to set your own prices. Now what you're going to do first is create your listing. So list your space for free, set in your pricing, preferences, and when the space is available. Number 2, drivers book and park. So drivers looking to park will search and book for a specific date and time period. We will notify you in advance of the booking. Then number 3, you get paid. Each month you will deposit the earnings directly into your bank account. Pause your listing anytime. Now let's look at the frequently asked questions. So how will you get paid? So you will get paid through PayPal or bank transfer. Now how much will you earn a year? This will depend on how attractive your listing is. Our drivers book their parking based on 3 key factors: location, price, and user reviews. Who will be using our space? From working professionals to seasoned event goers. And again guys, it doesn't cost anything to list your space. It's completely free. So to get started guys, go to yourparkingspace.co.uk. Now let me go to the second weird side hustle. Name of this side hustle is Want Us Raggedy. So best service providers that help you to go ahead. And as you can see right here, you can get paid all the way up to $1,000 guys. So once you get here, you're just going to go ahead and click right here to join. This is the service that you're going to be providing to people. So if you have a car, you can pick up and deliver services. Line standing services. So all you need to know about RUR, line standing, how to apply as a line standing application. Please complete the following steps. And you just click right here and you get more details about that. And cleaning services, medical carrier contracts service. So they offer medical carrier services. Our medical carrier service is tailored to ensure on-time delivery and product safety. And then company and shippers service. So let us lessen the load. We have made it easy for companies and shippers to list loads and receive speedy deliveries. And right here, when they have any jobs, they have the latest jobs available. So right here, you just click right here to see what jobs they have available. And what you have to do, you have to fill this out right here. And you do your search. You just click right here where it says apply fillers, and it's going to give you all the projects right here if they are available. So guys, if you want to join this website, just go to RUR or runusraggedy.com, sign up, and start getting this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these side hustles. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this 3 times a week. Okay guys, before I leave, I want to go ahead and do a shout out. And the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please keep watching, keep hitting that like button, and keep sharing my videos. Help this channel get to 9,000 subscribers. Okay guys, one more thing I want to bring up before I end this video. If you're having trouble manifesting money, I have an ebook that will help you. This ebook will help you manifest with numbers. So all you got to do is just click on the link below in the description or in the comments where it says click this link to learn how to manifest with numbers. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you. Road to 9,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn more ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.